Copy, eyes on.
Snake, moving in.
Your revised objective is to establish comms with the Federal Ice Field Commander.
Howdy, gentlemen. Stand it, we need to negotiate.
Where are you trying to have the meeting at?
I want to talk. It'd be good for both of us.
They're causing a lot of problems. They're taking our people now from Mexico. It's not good. They keep taking them and bringing them. They don't bring them back.
All right.
It might be a trap.
I can see.
We have a large presence here. If they want to come here, they'd be fucking dumb. We want to make a deal that it's the DEA. Talk to him.
Our leader doesn't like to talk to us. All he wants is money.
Right here!
You guys.
Sorry, you guys in America.
Follow us if you would.
Command, can you confirm the Savage 1 has gathered Korean cartel members for execution? Over. Command out.
Holy shit!
Wild ass bitches! Don't mess with the waters, man!
No!
Delta Copy is approaching the Federales base. Federales are currently allied with the Blue Cartel.
Second floor is hot!
What? We're not in hostile territory?
Yes, we are. You can hear it. Yes, we are.
Alright, cool. Tango, straight ahead! Yeah, moving up! Yeah, we're clear. We're moving up. Savage, it's clear for 100 meters. We got contact. Ice, ice.
He's down, he's down.
Hey. I'm helping.
I need help! I'm on a fire!
So we can at least take out the DEA.
Hey, y'all want to go through the...
The DEA is pushing up on us right now.